work on your syncopations in Urban Kiz? Do you know what I'm talking about? No? Then you definitely need to watch this video. I'm going to be going over how to lead and follow syncopations in Urban Kiz. So let's get started. No matter whether you lead or follow, it's good to practice this technique. We are going to go towards the right. We want to syncopate to the right. We're going to be doing it in our line because Urban Kiz is in lines. Right, so we're going to go to the right. We're going to go. You want to be changing your weight to the right foot, taking the left inwards, and then stepping back out with the right foot. So it would be right, left, right. If you're coming from a neutral position, you need to change your weight to the right, step in, and then step back out to the right. There are a few different stylistic variations you can do for your syncopation. For now, we're going to try and keep our chest as level as possible. So we're going to go, so without jumping, that's the important part. So we don't want to go here and then there. We are moving, changing our weight. We kind of come in, so try to slide a little bit and then back out to the right. So it will be 1 and 2. Trying to keep your chest level. 1 and 2. You're going to take it back over to the left, changing the weight to the left. 3 and 4. So we've got 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 5, 6. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So on the left, it's exactly the same. You're stepping either stepping or changing your weight to the left. More of a slide in and then step out again to the left. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It can help if you do put a little bit of a dip into the shoulder because you're changing your weight. So that leg that you're going down on, that's the shoulder that dips a little bit. Down and then back to level. So we're going 1 and 2. Down and level. Down and level. Down and level. Yes? As I say, there's a few different stylistic ways of doing it. You can, if you want to, put more of a dip in, or you can kind of style with your body movement here if you want to. I'll show you from the front so you can see me as well. Over, back over. Down and level, down and level. Change your weight, neutral, change your weight, neutral. So that's going side to the side, different on the horizontal. We're going to try vertical now. Say we're going to go backwards first. You can do it, it depends on what you're leading and what you feel as a signal as to which leg you will go back first, but both legs can do this. So we're going to start practicing with our right leg going back. Here we're going to change the weight and step. Again, we bring in the left, turn to the center to meet it, and then stepping back on the right. So we've gone step and change the weight, bring the left and back out. Remember, we're trying to slide a little bit more rather than jump so that we're keeping it level and not too bouncy. So we've gone 1 and 2. Here we go. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2. I'll show you from the side. I've got 1 and 2. Again, you can do the level change where you're going down a little bit on the leg that's going backwards. Neutral and neutral. Neutral level. So we've gone 1 and 2. We can take it back. I'm going to move the left leg first. 3 and 4. So we've gone 1 and 2. Change your weight to the left. 3 and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back and forward. So we're practicing this whether you lead or follow. Yes? You can be already in a backwards position and you get led a syncopation. Here we go, back again from that position. Yes, you might not be in neutral position. you might be in a back position already and then you're going back. Yes? So, what do I mean by syncopation? I didn't really go through this, but I'm hoping that maybe you've seen in previous videos. What I mean by syncopation is you're going to step on the solid count, like on the 1, and then you're going to step on the in-between counts, on the and then you're going to step again on the beat 2. So it would be 1 and 2. And you need to lead this with an increase in energy. Yes, and follows. Small steps gets you there because you're stepping in between beats, so you need smaller steps. You can't be here doing big steps. It's going to be more difficult. Right, so we've done it from the back. You can practice again on both legs. So you want to do it on the back, starting with the left first. You can practice that. 1 and 2, coming back with the right forward, 3 and 4. So go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You can come from neutral position and go forward first. 1 and 2, same technique. Yes? 1 and 2, and then you can take it back, changing my weight to the left. 3 and 4. Forward and back. Forward and back. And you can play with this between your couple, your lead and follow. You can make it into like a little bit of a game where you're leading and following the syncopations forward and back. That's syncopations on both feet, horizontal and vertical. Remember, we're dealing with Urban Kiz, so we're dealing with the lines. You need to practice both leads and follows. I have a good video on some tarasho movement, so if you want to start styling this up, adding a little bit more body movement that you can get really from tarasho, yes, so check out that video. We're going to do some quick practice with music for the syncopation so you can see where it fits in with the music. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend.